Hobot window cleaning robot is an automatic, smart cleaning device designed to clean glass surfaces, such as windows, mirrors, and glass doors, without manual effort. It uses vacuum suction to attach securely to vertical or horizontal glass surfaces and moves automatically in predefined cleaning patterns to wipe away dust, dirt, and smudges. Hobot glass cleaning robot works on glass of any thickness in many models. It has an embedded UPS power backup. If the main power is interrupted, the robot can remain stuck for a period to prevent a fall. It has a safety rope that helps secure the device if suction fails. It has microfiber washable cleaning cloths for wiping the glass and removing dirt. Hobot window cleaning robots often include smart navigation, automatic stop when done, and ultrasonic spray mists and higher models for wet cleaning. It has a dual ultrasonic spray nozzle. Some models can be controlled via remote or smartphone.